Assalamu alaikum, hi dear viewers, my fans, followers, and my beloved learners, and welcome back to Shohag's Online English Tutorial Facebook page and YouTube channel. And today I'm before you to show you the beautiful environment of my school. Here you can see a tall building, a large building that is furnished with all modern amenities, and there we have already started our class. And not only that, I would like to show you the another picturesque beauty of our school here. I will show you the green environment, and I will show you the mind-blowing playground of our school. On the other side of the playground, you can see. I won't able to show you that huge sun is giving a huge heat, and for this reason it won't be able to show you that. On the other side of the playground there is a primary school, and there is a primary school, and there is also a madrasa, and there is a mosque on the other parts of my schools. And actually, after all, the natural setting is very fine of Balrampur High School. And thanks for watching my school. And I will be available taking another scenes of my school if I get any time. Actually, it was my free time, and in that free time, I would like to give you some entertainments. And for this reason, I'm here to show you the natural setting of my schools. And over there, I would like another thing, that there is a huge green field, and huge green field there. Farmers work all day long to do their livelihood, and to maintain their livelihood. And there is a way in the middle of my uh, playground. And that's all for today, dear viewers. And keep with Shwaz Online English Tutorial to get update about English. And I will dedicate myself for the betterment of my students, and I will be as a catalyst to develop your English. And not more than and not less than. And that's all for today. Keep the best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.